So in this video, you'll learn how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step is to open the settings app on your phone. Then you want to tap on connections and then select the option Bluetooth. You want to ensure that Bluetooth is turned on, so just tap on the toggle like that. When it turns blue, it means that your Bluetooth is now enabled. So from here, you need to put your speaker in pairing mode. So for me, this just includes switching on my speaker, and then once it's turned on, pressing on this Bluetooth button. So once your speaker is in pairing mode, you then want to come back to your Bluetooth settings on your A56 and you want to tap on scan. If you've previously connected your Bluetooth speaker to another Samsung device and you're using the same account, then it should be automatically detected and then you can just tap on connect. However, if this is your first time, then you want to select scan, wait for it to appear in the list of available devices, then select it to start the process of pairing it. Confirm that you wish to connect your speaker to your phone. And once you've done that, you can now see your speaker has been successfully connected to your A56. And so now you can start using your speaker for any audio that you want to listen to from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.